In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to project from OBS Studio to multiple screens, beginner's tutorial. If you're setting up for an event, a classroom, or a streaming studio and you want your OBS output on different displays, this walkthrough will get you there smoothly. First, make sure your computer is using an extended desktop, not mirroring. That means each monitor acts as its own space you can move windows to. On Windows, check your display settings and set multiple displays to extend. On macOS, open displays and make sure mirroring is off. If your screens are mirrored, OBS can't send different full screen outputs to each one. Next, launch OBS Studio. In your current scene, head to the sources dock and click the plus icon. Add display capture if you want to capture an entire monitor, which is ideal for showing everything on that screen, or choose window capture if you only want a specific app without your desktop clutter. You can add multiple captures if your scene needs them. On Mac OS, you may need to grant screen recording permission the first time you add a capture. If a display shows black, confirm OBS is allowed access and that the monitor is active. Now it's time to project. Right-click directly on the OBS canvas. If you're in studio mode, you'll see options for preview and program. Program is what's live, while preview is what you're staging next. Choose full screen projector for the one you want to send out. OBS will list your connected monitors by number and name. Pick the monitor you want to receive that output. The feed now fills that screen, borderless, at the resolution of your OBS canvas. Need to send the output to more screens? Simply repeat that right-click and full screen projector action, selecting a different monitor each time. You can run multiple projectors simultaneously. A quick tip, avoid sending a projector to the same screen where the OBS interface lives, or you'll get an endless mirror effect. To close a projector, press Escape while that projected screen is active. If you want an overview of everything you've built, go to the View menu and choose Multiview Full Screen. This shows all your scenes at once on a selected monitor, which is great for a control room or when queuing shots. It's a monitor view, not a separate program feed, so use it for oversight and fast switching if you've enabled scene clicking. That's it. Your OBS output is now cleanly projected across multiple screens. Keep an eye on performance if you're driving several displays, and match your canvas to your display resolution for the sharpest results. Happy projecting!